and hello, good morning, wherever you might be. My name is Don Osh, I'm Editor-in-Chief of HideNet Market Reports, and today is Sunday, the 12th of March, mid-March almost, 2017. Andrea Guolo reports from Bologna this week that prices are generally stable in Europe, with the exception of cows, which are firmer, as they are about all over the world in the appropriate product. Scandinavian cows are up 5 cents, euro cents, as well as Spanish and Poland cows. Veal skins advanced further with supply still tight, and bulls were firmly steady, basically on automotive demand. Andrea reports a pickup in demand for accessory leather, which is always good. And there's also a report on the, pardon me, there's also, this is live folks, there's also a pickup in good interest, you might say, at the Geneva Automotive Show. So automotive leather in Europe is going to keep perking along. That's the bottom thing. I want to remind you, in just 3 weeks from now, the APLF will be starting in Hong Kong, and HideNet will have a forum on the first day of the fair. There will be 4 panels representing leather and hide markets from China, South America, North America, and Europe. Panel members include, who are exports in each one of these origins, John Clark, CEO of Prime Asia, probably the world's largest, I think it is the world's largest tanning group. Mike Larson of Tyson Foods, the largest single producer of hides and wood blue in the world. David Holes, a leading authority on the Brazilian market and a former editor and guest editor of HideNet. Li Yuzhong, if I pronounce it right, chairman of the China Leather Association, representing all the tanners in China. Windsor Huang, a statistical authority on the Chinese industry, leather industry. Franco Matelli is an expert on the Italian and other European markets, an important factor in those tanner relationships. And John Summerhawk of Frederick Sturm in Germany, one of the EU's largest producers and exporters, certainly in Germany. So you get their perspective. And you can hear what these experts have to say on their current markets and what they expect for the rest of the year. Valuable information for the cost of a ticket in Hong Kong, 2 hours out of your time, and there'll be some networking opportunities too. You'll be able to ask all these people questions from the floor as well. And lunch is included, as I said. For ticket information and to get an early bird discount, just go to info@HideNet.com, info@HideNet.com, and send us an email, and we'll send you the particulars of how to sign up and attend that forum. In North America this week, steer prices were generally firm to higher, as was the cow market. Remember, our predictions on the U.S. market are right 89% of the time. So with a subscription, you're ahead of the game. Anyhow, benchmark heavy Texas sold at $79 to $81 CNF, depending on origin and terms, which is about steady with what's been for the last number of weeks. Branded cows and seasonal averages sold between $47 and $51 CNF, depending on terms. And by the way, that steer Texas price was CNF. And demand for dairy cows remains very, very strong. Slaughter remained high, surpassing for still another week both export and domestic consumption, or sales, as well as shipments. So that's not a good thing for the market, but the market has stayed up. In Latin America, our editor, Ronald Guel from Novo Hamburgo, says the big news this week, and it's been a long time coming, that Brazil's average rawhide price finally went down 5 cents. Not a big deal, and it's not clear yet if it's a reversal of the whole trend, but it's a step in the right direction for the struggling tanners in Brazil. Wet blue sales were seen for Brazilian TR1 between $1.30 and $1.35, pretty well steady to last week. Prices on crust and finished leather were unchanged in Brazil. And each week, by the way, Ronald has a full rundown on crust prices for automotive and for furniture and for footwear on each one of our Latin American reports. Also this week, on the 14th of March, that's Tuesday I guess, will be the 41st edition of FIMEC, F-I-M-E-C in Novo Hamburgo. All the countries, tanners and other Latin American countries, gather at this major important leather show for that part of the world. In Argentina, slaughter was unchanged from February a year ago. And in Uruguay, and prices are steady. In Uruguay, weekly slaughter was down 6% for the week, but still prices were steady in that region as well. Again, see us in Hong Kong at the HideNet Forum. If you'll be at the fair, HideNet.com to get your discounted tickets. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week. Bye.